Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be looking at Chainlink, its valuations against Bitcoin, um, and as well as the US dollar. And looking at all these, looking at the recent move that Chainlink has done, that's brought up some notable things. First off, this week alone, we have rallied 7%. Obviously it's Monday, so it's today. So today we've rallied 7%. This can obviously change, but if we were to close right now, we would be above the 20-week moving average for Chainlink against Bitcoin. We know how significant this is. We know that in past moves, is that the 20-week moving average has acted as major support for the asset many times before. So us breaking above the 20-week moving average shows that good things are on their way. At least I think good things are on their way. We can see it in the US dollar as well as the valuation of Ethereum. So, with this move up, we hope that this continues. We hope that we can make support off the 20-week moving average. Should we break above the 20-week moving average this week, and not something that happens here, where if we did break up, come back down, and then fail to hold it, and we broke down. Against the US dollar, we're up 5%. I mean, Bitcoin is down 1.42%, so you do the math, but still up 5%. We're also above the 20-week moving average against the US dollar. The move that Chainlink has had since the 50-week, which I believe was here, was about a 90% move in the past 5 weeks. This is pretty impressive. And again, as we can see on the chart, we know how important the 50-week moving average is, as well as the 20-week moving average is for Chainlink. It's without question a very important support level. As you can see here, we've made support, bounced off of the 50-week moving average here, and then hopefully we can continue on up. The move that will get us to a new all-time high will have to be about another 84%. So we have a long way to go. And although I'm very bullish about Bitcoin, I'm not gonna, skirt over the fact that my prediction didn't really come to what I thought it would be. Right? I made the claim that Chainlink, during the time that Bitcoin's below the 20-week moving average, Chainlink will outpace Bitcoin. Now, the example that I showed had about 140% move against Bitcoin during that time. When we look here, it was only a couple percent. I was technically right, but it's not the move that I was expecting. We outpaced Bitcoin by 3.68%, let's say. Um, so keep that in mind. We didn't get the move that we wanted during. Here's hoping that with Bitcoin being above the 20-week moving average, this gives some more confidence for Chainlink to further move to the upside. Another thing to note is the Ethereum valuation of Chainlink. Now, it's been the worst out of all of them. We've been continuing to bleed down, but now we've been holding a certain level, and that level is here, right here. We bounced off of it back in September 2019, and here we are 2 years later, almost 2 years later. For the past 4 weeks, we've been bouncing off of this level, and now we're hopefully moving out of it now. This is the hope. The first target would be the 20-week moving average, which has acted as resistance right here. So we're hoping that this move will continue, Chainlink's move will continue, and will break through the 20-week moving average. And once we're above the 20-week moving average against against Ethereum, and as we are with the US dollar as well as Bitcoin, I'm pretty confident that good things will come for this asset. That'll start outpacing Ethereum, start outpacing Bitcoin, and giving us pretty good returns against the US dollar. I mean, Chainlink's already at $30. but we're nowhere near close to $54 like we were back in May. So long way to go, but good things are happening. Good things are finally happening for the asset. Let's see. Let's hope that it continues. And that's all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.